In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Funnelish Pay. We're going to walk through the full process together, step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll have Funnelish Pay enabled and ready to use on your funnels. I'll keep things simple and clear, so even if you're new to Funnelish, you can follow along without any stress. First, head over to your Funnelish dashboard. Open your browser and log into your Funnelish account like you normally would. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main dashboard, where you can see your funnels, stats, and all your usual tools. Make sure you're on this main area before you move on, so everything looks similar to what I'm describing. From the dashboard, look for the option labeled Apps. This is usually found in the main navigation menu, often on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Apps. The Apps section is where you manage all the extra features and integrations available inside Funnelish, including Funnelish Pay. Once the apps page has loaded, you'll see a list of available apps. Find the one called Funnelish Pay. Next to it, there will be a toggle switch. Click on that toggle to turn Funnelish Pay on. When it's enabled, the toggle will change appearance, usually from gray to a highlighted color, indicating that the app is now active in your account. If it doesn't switch on right away, give the page a moment to update and make sure your internet connection is stable. After the toggle is turned on, click directly on the Funnelish Pay app itself. This will open the app settings and configuration page. Think of this as the control center for everything related to Funnelish Pay. Here is where you'll find all the options to connect it properly to your funnels and checkout pages. Inside this page, look for a section or button labeled Using Funnelish Pay. Click on that. This area gives you the remaining information and configuration needed to fully activate Funnelish Pay for your checkout. Follow the on-screen guidelines you see there, reviewing any options that relate to how you want payments to work in your funnels. Once you've reviewed those settings and you're happy with how everything is configured, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This is a very important step. Saving locks in all the adjustments you've made so that Funnelish Pay is actually active and functioning on your checkouts. And that's it. You've now installed and activated Funnelish Pay, and your account is ready to start using it on your funnels.